Today at Spotify Camp Nou, the third tier is entering its final structural phase. The south goal slat preparation is closing in fast, and the VIP ring is pushing forward on multiple levels simultaneously. A productive day across every zone with something new to report from each one. Here is the full breakdown. At the third tier, the joint sealing phase is confirmed active across the Tribune and curve sections today. Workers applying the sealant compound between seating slabs with the backer rod placed into the joint gap first before the sealant goes on top. This creates a fully weatherproof seal between each individual slab and is the same treatment previously applied to the first and second tiers. Seeing it running across the third tier today confirms the seating structure in these sections is considered complete enough to begin the finishing sequence. Seating steps are also distributed around the circuit in their approximate positions ahead of final fixing. They are not permanently bolted down yet, but are being progressively straightened and aligned with each visit. The wide access openings designed for reduced mobility supporters are also visible throughout the circuit, with their step sections also placed and awaiting final fixing. The overall picture today is of a tier that is clearly in its final structural phase, with the joint sealing and step fixing work converging toward a finished seating bowl across the Tribune and curve sections. A small number of slab sections still need to be placed in the curve areas, and isolated gaps remain near the nucleus zones where material still needs to pass through. But structurally, the third tier is very close to complete in the majority of the circuit. At the south goal zone, anchor installation is well advanced across the full sector, with guide wire installation now confirmed active in the false sealing section. Workers actively placing the alignment wires between anchor points today, confirming this zone is in its final preparation step before slat installation can begin. The elevator doorframe area of the left side nucleus is also being actively worked on today, with workers confirmed inside the nucleus structure. Anchor preparation is also advancing in the south goal Tribune direction, with the sector there also being pushed towards slat readiness. Two new compression ring elements are also staged and ready in this zone, with pillar 13 confirmed, placed this morning, and radial beam 13 following shortly after. A new Cimbra was also lifted to the upper south goal zone today by the TC3 crane tower, confirming the ring sequence is being actively prepared for its next box lift. At the VIP ring, the collaborating steel deck sheet panels are confirmed, going down on the intermediate logistical floor today in the south goal area. This phase had been paused for close to 2 months, and its restart confirms the second cantilever interior preparation is being pushed forward again. The concrete pump is also confirmed active on the second floor today, ahead of the pour. Workers are also active inside the nucleus structures at the VIP ring level, with movement visible across multiple nucleus positions in the lateral zone. The block wall construction for bathrooms and hospitality spaces is continuing in the south goal curve section, with the second cantilever visibly transforming from raw structure into an enclosed functional interior space. That is everything from today. Third tier sealing advancing across the Tribune and curve sections. South goal guide wires in and slats getting very close. Pillar and radial beam 13 both confirmed placed. And the VIP ring logistical floor restarted after 2 months. This build is accelerating into its summer phase, and every zone is moving forward. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe if you have not already. See you next time.